So today we are talking about patient Mr. Shribhan Yadav. He belongs to Morena from Madhya Pradesh. It was found that he has a cancer of the bone and it is called osteosarcoma. After a few months of settlement, the disease reappeared again, and this time it appeared in lung. So with all these recurrences and relapses, he came to us in 2019. They were quite distraught by the whole process of this cancer coming back again and again, and from then onwards he was put on Denvax treatment, and the PET CT showed a good response to treatment. There was no evidence of disease anywhere. So today we are talking about patient Mr. Shribhan Yadav. He belongs to Morena from Madhya Pradesh, and he is a 21-year-old. He was diagnosed with osteosarcoma, which is cancer of the bone, in the year 2017. After that, he was diagnosed because he had pain in his knee, and he had a history of fall, and because of which he was taken to the doctor, and they did his biopsy also, and it was found that he has a cancer of the bone, and it is called osteosarcoma. After that, he went in for his treatment, which included a neoadjuvant chemotherapy treatment plan, where he was given chemotherapy initially, and for him surgery was performed soon after that, and this was again followed by chemotherapy. He was told by the doctors that he is free of the disease for the moment, and he can go home. He was fine for a period of time, but after that he again developed a recurrence, and the cancer showed reappearance in the same area where it first originated. For this again a second surgery was performed, and that also led to another recurrence after a period of a few months. And in his third surgery he went in for amputation because they could not remove the tumor, and it was coming up again and again. So the doctors decided to go in for amputation of his limb. After a few months of settlement, the disease reappeared again, and this time it appeared in lung, and for which again a surgery was performed, and this time it was in the lung area. With a few months of settlement, and he had started to feel better, but again the disease took another a difficult turn, and it reappeared in the same area of the lung, and again a second surgery was performed in the lung area. So with all these recurrences and relapses, he came to us in 2019. They were quite distraught by the whole process of this cancer coming back again and again, and it was difficult and very demoralizing for the patient as well as for the family. For them to deal with such a situation, quite disheartened, yet they found a lot of treatments for them, and by chance they came to know about us and the immunotherapy, and they decided to go in for this treatment. So they consulted Dr. Khan, and he advised them this Denvax dendritic cell therapy. In 2019, in the month of September or October, I'm not exactly sure, that's when the treatment started. From then onwards he was put on Denvax treatment, and at a period of 15 days interval, and in the month of February in the year 2020 he had his first PET CT done, and the PET CT showed a good response to treatment. There was no evidence of disease anywhere, and it was just a presence of a lymph node which was present in the intermuscular region of right thigh, and that was when they could not exactly assess the nature of the lymph node. It was showing FDG positivity, and that was the only sign of disease, and they were not sure. It could have been metastatic, inflammatory or infective. He continued with the Denvax treatment then onwards, and in the month of September 2020 he again had his PET CT done, and this repeat PET CT showed that there was no evidence of disease now, and he was in complete remission. Mr. Shribhan Yadav has responded tremendously in terms of clinical benefit. He says that he is very good, not just physically but also emotionally. He had a very distressing experience all this while, and from then onwards, since he is on Denvax, he is having a good time with himself. He is physically very active, he has put on weight, he is able to eat well, he is able to perform his activities. He is almost leading a near normal life, and that challenges and that terrible experience is over for him right now. It has all been possible because the patient's parents were very cooperative all this while. They continued to stick with the treatment that we advised for them, and they did not leave it in between. All this while the patient has shown tremendous improvement in all aspects, and he has been doing really well. Osteosarcoma is actually a disease of the long bones. It involves mostly the long bones of the body, and it mostly affects the knee joints or the shoulder joints, and it mostly affects young children, mostly in the teenage group. And these young adults, they have a history of pain and maybe redness or swelling over the joint area, and they could also be having a history of fall because there is presence of limping. So if a child is limping, it needs attention, and this limping coupled with pain and swelling, redness, and of course this could also lead to fracture of the bone, because the bone gets destroyed because of the presence of tumor. So osteosarcomas, they can be diagnosed by imaging studies, and in this case, particular case, an MRI was performed, and that's how they came to know about it. The mainstay of the treatment is mostly surgery, radiation and chemotherapy, and immunotherapy is also an adjuvant treatment plan that helps to prevent cancer from coming back. So in this case, we gave in Denvax at multiple intervals, and we still continue to treat him. We have not stopped the treatment for him. We don't want the immunity to go down as such and allow the disease to come up. We don't want the disease to take over, and we want him to continue with this. We will keep doing his PET CT at intervals, and we will also ask him to be more careful in terms of any reappearance of any sign or symptom. He must then report to the doctor, and as we all know, early diagnosis leads to cure and better chances of survival. The kind of immunotherapy that we do is dendritic cell based immunotherapy. It is called Denvax, and it is autologous treatment, and because of that it has a good safety profile. There are no short term or long term adverse effects of this treatment on the patient, and patients mostly show response to varying degrees. Some patients show tremendous response, like you have just seen in this case. And my advice to Mr. Shribhan would be to lead a happy, normal life, and also eat towards healthy, maintain an optimum weight, and do regular physical exercise, and also look at his sleep. He should be sleeping well, because our healing processes take place when we are sleeping well, and also to manage his stress levels. He should not be in stress. And the patients, I would also like to add that the parents did a remarkable job of continuing with this treatment, and it is because of this, their persistence and perseverance, that the treatment has shown such tremendous results.